Bullish Theta organization cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $4.63 and $8.75 by 2030. Market examiners accept Theta could reach $3.60 by 2025. Bearish Theta organization market cost expectation for 2023 is 82 cents. Theta organization presentation. Theta's local digital money is likewise called Theta. The symbolic powers the organization and boosts clients to share assets. There are two kinds of hubs on the Theta organization: normal hubs and asset-rich watchman hubs. Normal hubs procure awards for sharing their assets, while gatekeeper hubs acquire considerably bigger compensations for confirming blocks and bundling video transfers. Theta organization. One of the vital elements of the Theta network is its utilization of edge reserving. Edge reserving includes putting away frequently mentioned information nearer to the client as opposed to at a concentrated area. This decreases inertness and works on streaming quality. By decentralizing substance conveyance, Theta can give a preferable streaming encounter over customary CDNs. One more significant element of the Theta network is its capacity to deal with a lot of traffic with insignificant effect on the watcher experience. This is made conceivable by Theta's P2P network organizing innovation, what eliminates web blockage by disseminating traffic among numerous ways all the while. How Theta functions. The primary thing to comprehend about Theta is that it's not only a video web-based stage like YouTube or Jerk, it's likewise a decentralized organization controlled by the blockchain. This implies that clients can share data transmission and registering assets on a P2P premise. All in all, Theta is intended to be a more effective and decentralized approach to web-based video. So how can it function? The key is in the utilization of edge servers. Edge servers are essentially PCs that are sent at the edge of the organization, nearer to the client. By doing this, Theta can diminish inertness and work on streaming quality, while Theta's mainnet chips away at an agreement component that permits clients to approve exchanges and procure rewards. The stage furnishes top-notch streams with low dormancy, and clients can procure compensations for giving data transmission assets. The group behind Theta is capable and has serious areas of strength for a record in the crypto and blockchain industry. Looking forward, there are a few impetuses that could keep on driving the cost of Theta vertical. To start with, the reception of 5G will work on streaming quality and lead to additional great streams being conveyed over Theta's decentralized organization. Second, as additional organizations take on big business conferencing controlled by Theta, interest for Theta will increment. At last, as the crypto market keeps on developing, financial backers will progressively see Theta as a decent long-haul speculation because of its solid essentials. The ongoing economic situations are bullish for Theta, and the cost is supposed to keep on ascending before long. I accept that Theta is a wise venture at its ongoing value because of its utilization case in the video real-time industry as well as its accomplished group. I anticipate that it should arrive at new highs in 2023 as additional individuals become mindful of its true capacity. Theta organization is as of now worth $1.03 USD. Theta has moved 4.20% as of now with an exchanging volume of $16,251,365. Theta organization is as of now positioned 349 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $1,029,912,258 USD. Using the overall strength list, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal combination dissimilarity from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for Theta organization to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. What is Theta organization's not so distant future? Can this token support its worth or perhaps expansion in cost? We should investigate a few master viewpoints and examinations to get a feeling of where Theta might head. The live Theta organization cost today is impacted by various variables including news about the crypto and blockchain industry as well as big business conferencing and advanced promoting patterns. Different things, for example, marking Theta tokens or utilizing the organization's transmission capacity assets can likewise influence Theta's cost disclosure systems and lead to increments or diminishes in Theta's worth on some random day. Taking a gander at Theta from a drawn-out viewpoint, we accept the coin as a wise venture at its ongoing cost. We anticipate that the cost of Theta should keep on ascending before long and arrive at new all-time highs before the year's over. Our cost expectation figures utilize constant Theta organization market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in view of current market movement. Theta organization value forecast 2023 Theta organization, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital currencies to rise this year. The Theta cost conjecture for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, perhaps coming to $1.54. Likewise with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be progressive, yet no significant drops are normal. Averaging $1.44 in cost is very aggressive. However, it is achievable sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and progressions. Theta is supposed to have a base worth of $1.24. Theta Organization Value Expectation 2024 out of 2024. Theta Organization Theta Cost Expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Theta will before long outperform $2.57. In any case, we ought to hold back to check whether the Theta's general strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Theta will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $2.06 and a typical exchanging cost of $2.27. Theta Organization Value Forecast 2025. On the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $3.60 and Theta might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Theta is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $3.30 and a low of $3.09 in 2025. Theta Organization Value Expectation 2026. On the off chance that Theta Organization effectively helps market feeling among cryptographic money fans, the Theta coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Theta will be green in 2026. The Theta is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $4.63, with a base cost of $4.12 and a typical cost of $4.33. Theta Organization Value Expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the Theta cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $5.36 by 2027, with a base cost of $5.15 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, Theta has a most extreme value worth of $5.66. Theta Organization Value Expectation 2028. Because representing things to come associations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $6.39. In the event that Theta figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of $6.69. Neglecting to accumulate the help Theta needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $6.18. Theta Organization Value Expectation 2029. While Theta is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry cooperation, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed, so the base exchange cost has been set at $7.21 and a yearly cost close above $7.72 in 2029. Theta Organization Value Expectation 2030. By 2030, Theta Organization will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $8.24 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $8.75, averaging out at $8.45. Theta Organization Value Forecast 2031. The cryptographic money market is known to be profoundly unstable, which is one of the many